It's another sweltering morning in Memphis, Egypt. As the sunlight brightens the night, passengers chase her supplies, honey, garlic, cumin, essential leaves, candle oil. She will stock with the essentials she needs to teach her patient. Passengers is a senior or a doctor. In order to become one, she had to train at a scribe and study the medical purposely. Stole at the Plurant, the house of life. Now she teaches her old student there. Before teaching, passengers had a pageant to see. One of the workers at the temple construction site had injured his arm. When passengers arrive, the laborer's arm is clearly broken, and worse, the fracture in a seat, with multiple bone fragments. Passengers bite and immobilize the injury. Her next stop is the House of Life. On her way, a woman intercepts passengers in the stage. The woman's son has been stung by a scorpion. Passengers have seen many similar stings and know exactly what to do. She must say an incantation to cut the poisons out. They begin to recite the spell, invoking sacred patron of physician, the goddess of venomous creature. Passengers recite the spell as if she is sacred. The comedies applause as he gathers strength and success. As soon after the last line, she tried to cut the poisons out with a knife for good measure. Passengers packed out to leave, but the woman had another question. She wanted to find out if she is pregnant. Passengers explained her failsafe pregnancy test. Plan to seize one ballet, one Emma. Then urinate on the seats every day. If the plans go, she pregnant. A ballet sitting pleading a baby boy, while Emma foretell a girl. Passengers also recommends a prayer to Hathor's goddess of fertility. When passengers finally arrive at the House of Life, she runs into the doctor Peace Isesi. She gives Isesi politely, but she thinks Peace are very full of themselves. She does envy Isesi low as Nehru Pihad, which directly translates to husband of the anus to the royal family or guardians of the royal anus. Inside the House of Light, it's buzzing as usual with quiet, peace, doctor, and student, properly containing all kinds of records, not just medical information, as though here, presentation of academic is hard at work, coupling documents as part of his training to become a scribe. He are particularly promising student, but he was admitted to study because Patricia is scribe, as was her father before her. Without family in the profession, it's very difficult for boys and impossible for girls to pursue the education. Passengers overseas all the female senior and senior in training in Memphis. The men had their own overseer and the male doctors once answered to a woman. Today passengers teach anatomy. She quizzed her student on the material, the body vessels, the transport bath, air, urine, the even bad spirits. Passengers is preparing to leave Winnipeg. Then women escort her at the door the base to be examined. The woman had a heel so long under her arm. Passengers pull the glove and fly is cool to the touch and hard light and uses a human foot. She has read about elements like this, but never seen one. For the tumor, there is no treatment, medicine, or spell. All the tests give the same advice: do nothing. After delivering the bad news, passengers go outside. They linger on the step of the House of Light as Melinda stood at dark. In spite of all her hard work, there will always be patients she can't help. Like the woman with the tumor, they linger with her, but passengers has no time to dwell. In a few short weeks, the ninth annual flooding will begin, bringing light to the soul for the next year, harvest, and the whole new crop of patients.